Hey there DIYers. Today I'm going to try and troubleshoot why one of my brake lights, my trailer lights, is not working. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright, so the only way I can really test this to make sure that it's working is I'm going to go ahead and hook the Jeep up to the trailer and just hook the power up and get so that I can check, see I got proper current flow and all that good stuff. So yeah, go ahead and back up the Jeep and get it in place. I don't have to hook the trailer up, just got to have it, well, not fully, just the power. Oh. Okay, that's plugged in, so we're good to go there. Let's come back here. I think the connections are actually on the inside, so let's go ahead and open up the trailer door so we can see where the guts are in there. So yeah, collecting more and more keys. It's like trying to determine which key goes to which lock. Let's see what we got in here. Some little flags. Looks like it's got some wires here. I think might be this panel here that I have to pull off. Yep. But I'll just go ahead and pull this out. And test our connections there. Okay, so I got my blinkers on, and as you can see, this one is blinking, this one is not. So they use some kind of special nut bolt for those, and I tried my different bits and I couldn't find one that worked, so I had to drill it out. So I'll just put in a standard one. I don't know, it's like, doesn't need to be a secured safety one. It's not like someone's gonna want to steal my Taillight. Anyway, so got this panel pulled off, and so it's exposed to the wiring, and so there's 3 wires you can see that are coming in, the red, black, and the white. And the white is the ground, the neutral. And so I was playing around with the different wires, and as you can notice, see, it does work, so it's just a loose connection. And so come to find out, here, it's the ground, this ground wire. So so it's right here. Looks like it just needs to get a better connection there. So let me open that up and get a better line on it, because I don't think that ground's on there very good. I don't think there's a problem with it inside the unit itself. I think it's yeah, it's here. So let me get a Phillips and get that thing opened up. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'll strip off a bigger piece of line for that. So I'd actually found the identical lights on Temu. I picked those up. It was pretty inexpensive, so I always have additionals if I need them. Oh no. Yeah, that just broke right off. I tried to strip that line. Okay. This wire wrapped around there. There's a metal plate back there, so you can see when I connected that it started flashing. So just like that, it still seems to be working. So I'll be able to get that panel, put the panel back on, and have a nice flashing light. So I'm good. Still blinking. It's on there good. Just do one more test before I wrap everything up. Make sure my blinkers are working. Yep, we are good to go. Awesome. Alright, so luckily I didn't have to do many testing or anything. It was literally just a loose connection on the ground, and just got that resecured, and I'm good to go. So this trailer is fairly new. I bought it brand new from the manufacturer a few years ago, and really not used it much, maybe 10 times if I'm lucky, yeah, roughly. And then just all of a sudden that brake light stopped working, so I just wanted to get it fixed before I go making any more pickups at the box store or anything. So anyway, I'm good to go. So anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,